Hi, my name is Mary Ann Keene. I'm co-owner of Relay Communications Group. We are a full-service marketing communications consulting firm specializing in social media. Our experience is truly diverse, having worked with Fortune 5 corporations to small businesses and not-for-profits. One thing, however, they all have in common is the need to be an active participant in the world of social media. In today's age, it is an absolute must. We've seen firsthand the impact social media can have on a business's bottom line and wanted to share with you our insights on how businesses can build real fans, not the pretend ones that like and unlike you on Facebook or follow you on Twitter but don't engage. Because at the end of the day, what's important is not how many fans you have, but how those fans engage with your brand, whether it be buying a product or increasing brand awareness. So our focus today will be around how mobile and social can deliver these types of customers to your business. So let's get started. We thought very hard about the mobile experience and wanted to offer businesses a destination that engages your customers so they feel a part of a social club, a place where they are willing to return on a regular basis, and a place where you can monetize your users' visits without them feeling like they're being hounded. With all that said, it has to be an affordable solution for most businesses. Now, what sounds like a marketing manager's fantasy, we believe, is actually a reality. Marketing, particularly online marketing, is at a really fascinating crossroads at the moment where mobile is meeting social and some really fantastic things are being unlocked. Mobile lends itself perfectly to social interaction, and businesses who can tap into a passion, a necessity, or a cause around their customers can really build vibrant, mobile-based experiences that are led by social and community. So let's take a deeper look at this. We believe that this solution is applicable to any business that wants to have a conversation with their fans. Now, when I say conversation, I'm talking more than just random chit-chat. I'm talking about a deeper, meaningful conversation that leads to a sale at the end of the day. So let's jump right in and have a look at the product. We refer to Relay Social as a platform because it is so much more than just a mobile app solution. Relay Social is deeply connected to the social media universe that you work with. Plus, it features a powerful social and mobile media management dashboard that allows you to manage every aspect of your mobile and social activities. It's this combination of mobile app, the hyperconnectivity to the social media universe, and a very powerful dashboard where you manage the whole system that makes our product really unique. Let's start with the basics. Branding. Our solution is 100% about you, your customers, and your brand. So there are no Facebook or Twitter logos to be seen and no third-party advertising. This is truly your space. It's incredibly simple to develop the look, incorporating your colors, logos, just the overall look of your brand. And if you ever need any assistance, we're always here to help. So the one thing you're looking at here is for a yoga center. So now let's look inside the app. The app features two layers. There's a plug-and-play social area at the bottom, and at the top of the app there's a custom layer. So here's the social layer. This is the default for the layer, which is updates. The social area is where you engage your customers, and this is done in a number of ways. The first view that you're looking at is named updates. You can name this anything as you can with all the other social layers. The updates view takes all of the content you're already producing from all your social media platforms, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr. Facebook happens to be the one that's shown here. And users have the ability to like and comment and share this piece of content, and it gets fed back into their Facebook feed. There's a view called chat, which is the next one. This is where all the user-generated content gets added. So you're encouraging all your users to ask questions, make comments, upload photos or videos, whatever is appropriate for your business. We'll talk in just a second about what happens to that content. The content is added by your users using this plus button in the middle, where they get the option to shoot or upload a video, take a photo, comment, upload a picture from their phone's album. There is a gallery view, which is a composite of all the photos and videos coming into the system from the third-party platforms, as well as out to these platforms from your users. In the fourth view is the inbox, which is really powerful. In addition to being notified that a user has liked a comment or shared a video or sent a message, you as the user of the app can send a custom message directly to your users via the mobile app. Those custom messages will typically have a piece of text, a photo or video, and often a button, which may take them to buy something or sign up for an event. The purchasing experience happens right within the app. Most importantly, when these messages come into the mobile app, they're accompanied by a push notification, which typically gives you a ring on your phone or a red dot outside the phone and draws your customer's attention back into the app. When these push notifications do appear, you do see a surge of traffic back into the app, so it's a very powerful tool. So here's the custom layer. You can see it here at the top. Again, using the Yoga Center as an example, you can see they have 4 pages at the top, custom pages. One schedule, teachers, classes, and workshops. In this particular example, they've chosen to use existing pages from their website that have been mobile optimized. And these pages can be easily incorporated into the mobile app by simply cutting and pasting the URL into the app's dashboard, and they instantly go live. Likewise, they can instantly be removed or changed. Here I've clicked on the Teachers button, which is directly from their website. But you don't have to use existing content. You can create a custom one. Now here's a very basic custom page. This is for a women's association. You can also build out very advanced features. For instance, here you have a radio station optimized for mobile that is embedded right inside the app. Next is a time-dependent custom page, which is prompting an upcoming lecture. If you were able to scroll down here, you could see that there's a sign-up box to RSVP for the event. Again, this is all easily done through the dashboard. Now, let's take a look at the third-party social media platforms that work with Relay Social. We currently connect with Facebook, Twitter, any RSS feed, Instagram, YouTube, SoundCloud, Flickr, Pinterest, and Tumblr, and we're always adding more platforms as they become available. There are 2 dimensions with which social media platforms are connected. When you add the platforms in the dashboard, like Facebook or YouTube, the app will automatically pull the content from all these platforms into the app. It's a way to package all the content you already produce and put it into a consumable form using the extraordinary reach of mobile to deliver all your content to a much wider audience. So, in addition to pull, you can also push content. So this is the user-generated content. This is where it gets interesting. As your users are posting content on your mobile app, you have the option to repost that content back out into the social media universe. Your content from users most likely says really good things about you. So at your discretion, you can send that information out for everyone to see. Let's move on to the dashboard. The dashboard is made up of 3 sections: Setup, Launch, and Manage. Setup allows you to do a number of things. Here you can set up and change the branding, the look, or the style of the app, and it's all point and click. And the moment you make changes and click Save, it's instantly changed on all the users' apps, so there's no need for any App Store updates. Mobile app content is where you manage all the content coming in and out of the app, including how the app is connected to all the mobile platforms. Mobile app pages is where you can create custom pages or enter existing pages within the app. You can use the mobile app submission to send all your information and have a setup and and have us set up everything you do. So that's an easy way. If you're not interested in laying it out yourself, you send it to us and we'll take care of all of it for you. Launch. As it suggests, this is where you launch the app. People, you can get people downloading it here. There are tips on making it successful. We'll be doing a separate video on this portion soon, as it contains a lot of information. Next is manage. Here is where you, as it suggests, manage content. Here we have gone into the Manage Content console within the dashboard. This is where all the user-generated content from your fans, your followers, whoever's using the app. This is where the information gets logged so you can review and decide what to do with that information. I'll take you through it section by section. Here's an example of a piece of content. Somebody added, "Did you have a lovely Valentine's Day?" You can see they added a cute little box of candy to it, which always increases engagement. You can see directly above it that this user has chosen to connect their app to Facebook, Tumblr, and Twitter. As a result of their choices, you'll see to the right, as the owner of the app, you can choose to post it back to your own Facebook, Tumblr, or Twitter account. When it's reposted, it will be shown as if posted by the original user who created the content. Let's take a look at what a piece of reposted content looks like. Here's a Facebook page that is connected to the mobile app. Circled is a piece of content posted from within the mobile app, not the one we just saw, but a different one. You can see here the text and image and who posted it. Now let's click on the post as if you're the user and see where it takes you. This particular post takes you off the site to what we call a floating web page. It's got that piece of content we saw before with text button at the bottom. You'll see at the top a call to action has been added. This is a graphic that is inserted from your dashboard, which encourages you to download the mobile app. You can see there's a button that when clicked, it will take you directly to the App Store to download the mobile app. If they had chosen to include the Android app, there would also be a Google Play button below the Apple button that they could click as well. That would take them to Google Play. You'll see at the bottom there's also a View Gallery button. If you click that, it toggles you to a gallery view with the same call to action. So this is a gallery view of all the users' individual content. You can scroll through and read all their posts, watch their videos, view photos, etc. And all the while, all of the linkage is driving you back to the App Store to further encourage people to download the app. Now, let's go back to the regular Facebook page we started on. If you look to the right of the number of likes, circled in green, there is a custom tab added to the Facebook page, which comes from Relay Social. If you click on it, you'll see it looks just like the gallery view we saw before, but it's now within Facebook. You can also embed the same view within your website. So this is the path the content takes when added by users through your mobile app. It's meant to be a virtual cycle of engagement. Now we're going to have a look at the Message Center. This is the Message Center console within the dashboard. As you can see here, there's a log of custom messages that have been scheduled to send. The one at the bottom has already been sent. So this is a log of everything that has been programmed to be sent or already sent. If you want to send new messages, you have two buttons at the top. You can compose a single message or upload bulk messages. We have many clients who choose to write their messages weeks, sometimes even months in advance, and have them post automatically through the dashboard. But for now, we're going to look at posting a single message. So here we are in the custom message console. You can see at the top there's a field for entering some text. Since it's mobile, you want to keep things somewhat short and to the point. Next, you have the option to add a photo or video from Vimeo or YouTube. And you also have the option to add a link. And as an example, a band might say, "Hey guys, check out the video below to hear our new song." And then the link would take them to actually purchase the song. As you saw on the previous page, you can choose to send now or schedule for a later time. Here's the scheduling system. Remember, all of these custom messages get accompanied by a push notification, which really grabs people's attention and drives them back inside the app. In fact, you get a huge surge of traffic right after a custom message is sent. But you have to be careful. If you send too many messages, users will get annoyed and may end up deleting the app. Choosing content that is relative to the user is really important. So with the power comes responsibility. Here's an example of a custom message. Once a user sees a push notification, they click on the app and it takes them directly to the custom message. So I hope you've gotten a sense of how our Relay Social mobile app acts as a hub for businesses who want to hyper-connect to their fans, their followers, audiences, and customers. We'd love to hear from you. If you have additional questions or would like a live demonstration, please contact us at info@relaycg for communications group. That's relaycg.com. Or we can be called at 312-213-1209. And as always, please visit us on our website at www.relaycg.com.